Hi, I'm Forsi. Today I'm showing you how I cooked pre-seasoned oxtail in the Instant Pot. Tender, rich and full of flavor without standing over the stove all day. The oxtail is already seasoned, so today we're keeping things simple. If your seasoning blend is different, that's fine. This method still works. I started by turning the Instant Pot to saute and added a little oil. Then I add my onions and bell peppers, then let them soften and then add the garlic. This step is important. Even with a pre-seasoned oxtail, sauteing helps deepen the flavor. Keep stirring to prevent the seasoning from sticking to the pot. Once tender, I cancel the saute option, remove the seasoning from the pot and set it aside. Next, I add water to deglaze the pot, followed by the oxtail, a variety of herbs, and the sauteed seasonings. I lock the lid, set the Instant Pot to pressure cook at a high temperature for about 40 minutes. The oxtail needs time to break down, so don't rush this part. Once the pressure releases, I check the oxtail. The meat is tender but not pulling away from the bone just yet. I transfer the oxtail to a baking dish with some gravy. Then I sprinkle some chopped chive, celery and thyme over the oxtail and bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And that's it. Tender oxtail, rich gravy, and all the comfort of a slow-cooked meal made easier in the Instant Pot, the way my Aunt Mary taught me. And this is story time and cooking with Forsi. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and let me know how you cook your oxtail.